today's the day. Today's the day. We're going. We're going to Southern Indiana. It's gonna be awesome. It's like 7 o'clock in the morning. Let's go. Had to make a quick pit stop because I had to pee. Back to the B-roll. We're here, guys. We're here. We're finally here. It's been like 3 hours, you know, like 15 million hours, and I can't even tell you, but we're here. We're here. Let's go. You know, this looks a lot different than Indianapolis. Oh my gosh.
Here, let me get some lights on it.
It's some goldfish. Hey, Austin's here. Oh my God, it's Austin.
Hi, guys.
Hi.
He's a celebrity around these parts.
He's so...
Oh man.
Whoa. Oh yeah.
Whoa, that's cool. Oh my God, you're the arrow.
Yeah, I shot about 30 bucks with this one.
You're the arrow from the show. You go out at night and you kill bad guys, right? Jesse's here.
You never show
Jesse.
up unexpected.
All right, we're here. We're here at this thing called Spring Mill, and it's gonna be super fun. It's gonna be a whole video.
It's gonna be super hot.
And at first, I need you to open the trunk so I can get my stuff. I'm actually really mad that I forgot my tennis shoes.
I forgot my camera, so I'm really mad too.
Don't need them.
Are you excited?
Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Oh, it's so good. Is it good?
It's so good.
You like your nachos?
It's like 100 degrees out here, but
Okay, it's
I'm still eating this
hot.
hot nacho cheese and stuff.
Can I
you
see
know?
those?
They're really good. You know?
Ooh. Look at my ice cream.
This is super cool. Holy moly. They used to what?
They used to cage the kids in here and make them stay. So nobody could skip.
So just like regular school, you mean? I think I see a snake. I think there's a snake out here. Do you see a snake?
No, no snake.
Just Austin.
Just me.
I really shouldn't have had those nachos because now I'm like sweating so hard. It's like 700 degrees out here. No, but they were hot and it's hot outside, so I'm 10 times hotter than regular. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, you know what I'm saying. What do you want to say?
Hey, I'm Austin. Let's go on an adventure.
All right, Austin, let's go! Woohoo! I put the GoPro on his head, and he's doing it. Woo! The worst part about taking a big camera is I can't really do things because I need both hands, and I only have one hand because of this thing. The GoPro on your head.
It's so funny, but it's so cool.
Well, no, if we go all the way up, what's up there?
A trail.
Please don't fall.
Ah! I made it. I dare you to go beyond this fence. I want you to jump off of here, and I want you to land in the lake, in the river.
What you should do, you should edit it, and it'll just show me popped on the other side for just like a split second. And I'm just...
You know what? Yeah, let's do that. We're gonna create an action scene. Action scene starting now. It is so hot outside. It's freaking hot.
That last time
How you guys
outside.
feeling?
I'm all right. Pretty sweaty. Yeah, it's pretty humid. Pretty sweaty. I can't tell if it's the humidity or my
How
sweat.
are you feeling?
It's pretty good, actually. I'm a little sweaty, but I'm having fun.
There's a
Hey
pigeon
guys!
Pidgey, there's a
Hey!
Pidgey.
Look, I got the GoPro on my wrist. I got my pals behind me, right guys?
Right.
Going through these. Hey, this is where you're gonna be in like 20 years.
20.
Yeah.
Yep, I have a scheduled burial here. Why do they lock the gates of the cemetery at night?
I don't know.
Because people are dying to get in.
Good job, Hallie.
Thanks. I didn't want
Your shoes are what?
They're so
Is there a bug?
Oh, it's a big spider.
Just so you know, I got my button there.
Do it.
Videotape a while.
Oh, you got it. You got it. He's good.
I don't want to go any further.
Keep going. I want to jump into this cold water so bad. I'm sweating like crazy. Are you sweating?
Yeah, I'd like to get into it.
So Austin is trapped on this side and he can't get across. What are you gonna do, Austin?
That was my stepping stone. It's gone now. There's plenty of stepping stones over there, but I don't really want to go back.
All right, he's gonna do it. 3, 2, 1. Yes! You got it! Yeah. I haven't taken the drone up yet, so I'm gonna do that now. That was like super uneventful because it was just trees. Look, it's the knockoff Buffalo Wild Wings. You excited? How are they?
I'm loving it.
You like them? They're good. Look, that's all the paper towels he had to use because he was crying while eating wings.
I'm really sad right now.
We made it. We're at Indiana University. All right, so the reason we're here today is because there's this Indiana State track meet today. It's for high school, but I always like going to see AVON and supporting the team. Good 89 degrees. There's finally some shade, 6 o'clock, and I really want to go home now. All right, that's it. We're going home. Pretty sure AVON probably won, you know, because they're just so good. That was a long day. First things first, I feel really gross, so I'm gonna shower, and I'll be right back with you. 1, 2, 3. I feel so much better. Today was a very fun day. If you guys enjoyed, please leave a like or a comment, whatever you want to do. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you on Wednesday.